Hello everyone, I am Moheshwara. Today we are discussing about the class 12 physics chapter number 7 alternating current. Our topic is that resonance. This is the part 5 lesson number. This is lesson 5 okay of this chapter. So we in this lecture we are discussing about the resonance. Okay, first of all what is resonance? Here shows that the lots of where air shows in the resonance in the natural life. So whenever you are entering the empty hall on that time you are shouting, or whenever you are goes on the mountain on that you are shouting, you will get that the large voice of you what you was to speak, you will retain again it's come back to up to you, and it is the large voice. So on that time the what will happen there on that time, what will happen, the frequency, the nature have on frequency, and whenever you are shouting on that time the frequency of your sound and also the frequency of a nature, both the frequency are matched on that time, it will be making a resonance. So whenever the two frequency, see, whenever the two frequency are coincide on each other, on that time it will be gives the more amplitude value. Okay, so this is the resonance. First, this is known as the resonance. Whenever you are entering the empty hall, on that time you will speak something, or you will get that the again and again your voice. Okay, so it is a one type of also resonance. Also, whenever you are putting the any hollow cylinder, on that time you are something bring and you get the more sound by the hollow cylinder. So these all these things are known as the resonance. But in the electronic device, on that time we will know that the electronic device has also on frequency. So on that time, whenever the frequency of natural frequency of that things will be frequency frequency will be same, on that time you will get that the resonance. So the, see the resonance, an interesting characteristic of the series LCR circuit is the phenomenon of resonance. Series RLC circuit or LCR circuit or circuit is that the phenomena of resonance. The phenomenon of resonance is common among the systems that have a tendency of oscillate to particular frequency. The frequency is also the oscillation at a particular, so the frequency it is called the natural frequency. I told you that whenever, see here, this is our third point is that this frequency is called that the system natural frequency. Okay, but when what did mean the natural frequency? So natural frequency, it means a circuit have on frequencies. Okay, the amplitude of the oscillation is found to be large. A familiar example of this phenomena is child on a swing. The swing has a natural frequency for a swinging back and the force like a pendulum. Okay, so if the child pulls on the rope at a regular interval and the frequency of pulls is almost the same as the frequency of swinging. Similarly, for an RLC circuit driven with the voltage amplitude Vm, see here voltage amplitude Vm and the frequency is omega, we found that the frequency is omega, that the current amplitude is given by, we know that in the previous lecture we will show that the Vm is equals to Im is equals to Vm upon Z. So Vm upon Z, it is the amplitude found at the current amplitude. Okay, Vm upon Z. So this is our current amplitude. So it is a Vm upon Z, it is equals to Vm upon Z, but here Z it is equals to R square under root R square plus Xc minus XL. So in this, Xc is the capacitive reactance and the XL is the inductive reactance. Okay, this is the capacitive reactance and the inductive reactance. So okay, for the capacitive reactance, Xc it is equals to 1 upon omega C. It is equals to 1 upon omega C, and for XL it is equals to omega F. So omega, see here, so omega is vary, then at a particular frequency omega 0. Okay, omega is vary. So what happen when the omega is so if omega is vary, then it will be change, and then at particular frequency omega 0. So See here, when the we are sees that the Xc is equals to XL from using the impedance is minimum. Whenever, so see here, suppose Xc and the XL both the frequency will be same on that time, both the frequency will be same on the time. Xc is equals to XL, though, so Xc minus XL is equals to 0. So Im is equals to Im is equals to Vm upon R. So Im, so see here, Z it is equals to R square plus 0 square. Okay, R square plus 0 square, it is equals to R. So this is no it will give us that the it has a maximum resistance. See the frequency, see frequency is, this frequency is called that the resonant frequency. Okay, this frequency will be called as the resonant frequency. Whenever the particular frequency omega 0 on the time, we will get that the XL minus XC, the capacitive reactance and the inductive reactance will be cancelled out to each other. On that time we will get that the maximum frequency. On this maximum frequency, this is known as that the whenever both the capacitive inductance and the capacitive reactance and the capacitive reactance and also the inductive reactance will be same on the time. I thought whenever the both the things are same on the time, natural frequency and the what you the frequency will be applied. So both the frequency will be same on that time. We will get that the maximum resonance. So this is known as the resonance frequency. Which on which frequency they are the same on that. This is known as the resonance frequency. This is this frequency is called the resonant frequency. Xc it is equals to XL or 1 upon C. XL is equals to X it is equals to XL. It is equals to 1 upon omega C into 1 upon omega C into C. It is equals to omega 0 L. What happen? 1 upon omega C, 1 upon, sorry, it is a omega 0. It is a one mistake. 1 upon omega 0 1 1 upon omega 0 into C, it is equals to omega 0 into L. So now what will happen, we need to we need to get that the omega 0 value. So we will go at this side. So omega 0 into omega 0, so it will be become omega square. It is equals to 1 upon under root L into C. So but we need to determine that the omega value of omega. So we are taking that the square root of this side. So we will get that the omega 0 it is equals to 1 upon LC. At the resonant frequency, the current amplitude is maximum. See here, what will happen at the resonance frequency, the current amplitude is maximum okay. So whenever the resonant frequency, so XL it is equals to XC is equals to XL. So see here, so these things will be remain 0. So these things will be 0. So that's why Im is equals to Vm upon Z. So Vm, it is Vm over, we know that the source, we are what we are applying the source voltage. So Vm is equals to, so Vm upon Vm or Vm divided by the Z, but Z is where the Z is equals to R square plus under root Xc minus XL square. So these things will be become a 0. So we will get that the Im it is equals to Vm upon R. This is known as the also Ohm's law. So Im it is equals to Vm upon R. So on that time the current amplitude is maximum. So see here, see here, this is our graph versus frequency. Okay, so here our it is current I and it is our frequency. So on the time whenever the current is large, it means the resistance, value of resistance will be very small. What happen, the value of resistance very small on that time, the both the here the large value of resistance will be small and the resistance of capacitance or inductance it is a large. So we will get that the three different phase look like this. Okay, so on that time we will get that the resonance, and also we will find out that the maximum current. Okay, in this what we found, the maximum current. See, since the Next, amplitude Im, it is equals to Vm upon R. So Vm upon R, it is at resonance, the current amplitude for case I is twice for 2 that for of case 2. Okay, it means what will happen? The amplitude of current will be twice of that case 1. So see here, see what will here, what is the happening here. So whenever we are talking about that the large r, it is suppose of case 1, and the small r is our case 2. Think about it, if it is a case 2, and here it is f of r, we are taking that the, see here f of r, this is our f of r. So f of r, it is equals to omega 0. So it is equals to omega 0. So on the time the case 1 is a large r and the case 2 is the small r. So the case 1 is twice of the case, in case 2 is twice of for the case 1. So we will get the large amount of the current. Resonance circuit have a variety of the applications, various applications. For example, in the Dunning mechanism of a radio or a TV set, the antenna of radio accept the signal for many broadcasting station. Okay, the antenna of radios, the antenna of radio accept the signal from any broadcasting station. The signal pick up in the antenna act as a source in the tuning circuit of the radio, so that the circuit can be driven at many frequency. Okay, whatever, whenever you are just matching the frequency, on that time you will get that the proper frequency. Okay, so on that time you will get the resonance. It will be seeing our radio, suppose we are taking go, if you are using the radio or not, but whenever we are using the radio, on the time we will show that okay, when the frequency, exact frequency are matched, on that time you will get that the any programs on a radio, otherwise you will not get the any programs. So signal pick up in the antenna act as a source. Okay, signals pick up in the antenna act as a source in the tuning circuit of the radio. So the circuit can be driven at many frequency. But to hear one particular radio station, we tune the radio. Okay, what we need to do, we tune the radio in a tuning, we vary to a capacitance of a capacitor in the tuning circuit, so that the resonance frequency of a circuit become a nearly equal to the frequency of radio signal received. Okay, I told you that whenever you hear one a particular radio station, okay, 93.5 fm, 95.6 fm, look like there. Okay, MTV, Red Z look like that. So, but to hear one particular radio station, we tune the radio in a tuning. We vary to capacitance of a capacitor. You are matching that the value once you shows that the knob on the radio, knob on the radio. There are the one frequent. There are one, there are the one knob. So we are matching the capacitance of a capacitor in a tuning circuit, so that the resonance frequency of a circuit become nearly equal to the frequency of the radio signal received. So when this happens, the amplitude of current with the frequency of signal particular radio station is circuit is maximum. So it is important note that the resonance phenomena is exhibited by the circuit only if both L and C are present in a circuit. Only then do the voltage across L and C cancel each other. What happened? Across L and C cancel each other, both being out of phase, and the current amplitude is Vm upon R, the total source voltage appearing across R. That means that we cannot have a resonance in RL or RC circuit. If you are using that the RL circuit or RC circuit, then on that time you will not get that the resonance. Okay, this is our topic is that resonance. This is our topic is that resonance frequency. So after that we will discussing about that the sharpness of a resonance. Thank you so much, guys. If you have any if you have any problems, if you have any issue, then comment in comment box. Okay, And please, if you like this video, please like. Thank you so much guys.